swear I don't got tired for your love. The things you do me, my love will not retire, baby. Oh,
DLFM 106.9.
Do not die. You're my one and only. I wanna let you know something. I don't go ever leave it lonely. Make them hear me very well. I know they go anywhere. Baby, but I give for life. I don't go do you anyhow. Baby, you're my number one.
DLFM 106.9.
I've made up my mind for you. No matter the way that I deal with you.
Sikasa munya wasem kesi ni fiachem. Mame mfanka use bia webusi ampene kura wanyem. Wa mame siafim me hwehwe ne owo ni awoto bo osu abrobo me de betu na
Legends and great music. 106.9.
Shiba, baby I love you. Baby I love you.
DLFM 106.9.
On the limit of you, hey Malewa. On the limit of you, hey Malewa. On the limit of you, hey Malewa.
Una chicano, me una ju. Oh baba, baby, with you no. Ah, give me pepperoni. Oh bye, siri kakra. No, ni kakra dia. Let me wo, come me wo, let me wo. Na kumyo panye. Minyo asise. Wa tutu. Dana tutu noa. Okumwa boa.
So dia me kamena me pese me hu baby ofre but yeah nku a wode sra ne seminar honam sadin papa bi wonam wote gira okwan bi fosu enya me na me kantam dinsie se me nto wodomu da awoso me abo me kusa mapem wonsa kamedia sikasa munya wasem kesi ni fiachem mame mfanka use bia webusi ampene kura wanyem wo mame siafem me hwehwe ne owo ni awoto bo osu abrobo me de betu nanim
na mama no sika pudo
kame de me lase beto so aba ye no ho ade
na mama no sika
one pede so aba de tre konkron kra so be hyase
na mama no sika
enye wode say enye wode
na mama no sika
you know what time it is
na mama no sika pudo
Say ya me boy for madam no. Ni woman me on, it don't pay. All on him Martina.
All on him all day. Si je ne sais pas c'est fait. Si je ne sais all day. Si je ne sais.
All that you me. You are my queen of
Shiba, you make me shiba. Baby, I love you. Baby, I love
great music.
Chaka chaka baby, do am soko soko baby. We no go hear nobody. Wa mukana ya no more. Messi Masula di Lumba. We be gone till November. Living up in a Bermuda. Other me straight was so I give me sugar. Hey, mama ya ya ya, mama ya ya ya. NCO, NCO. Hey, mama ya ya ya, mama ya ya ya.
Okay, good morning. I welcome you all to DLFM 106.9, your Kura Kura mid-morning show.
I got the fine thing.
Me, I got the fine thing.
My baby fine.
In fact, my audience know they are so fine.
Every woman is a superwoman. Every woman is a champion.
I feel you are joining here.
Our body, yeah.
It's 59 minutes past the hour 10 here in the studio. Obetimi joining me live on Facebook and YouTube. DLFM 106.9. Now we do message now by and rebel my making kind at the amount. And there are Wednesday, the 22nd of April 2026. And there are Kumemuton Asem. So everything, ebe love. When I was starting, I'm more church on here, man. I will me dear money at the adeno. And I pay me bad energy. Bad energy. Ya mo pese nti na nya de ebesi nti mo ntwe mo ho. Koko kakra mo nya no ma no pay. Ana ato mo ne nsam keka. Ani achoro basa. Me need that Lumba. Me need Odobroni. Everlasting. Baby, I'm Mrs. Priscilla Ofosu Ewobia. Mama Lumba Bakope. Aho Fejia. Odobroni. Inchiaka siye enkoma. DJ Omarion ono ana ebonyom no edi amami Sanso ana Michael say and the angel Michael ne kai sa Michael try there when you ono kwa na makes me actually Michael ewo kibiki uni actually so dey make live ewo Facebook and YouTube
this one be the fine. Every woman is a
so bet me I join the life no
champion. We know nobody. Them know they our body. Yeah. Hi. Mama ya ya ya. Mama ya ya ya. NCO. Hey. Mama ya ya ya. Mama ya ya ya. NCO. Yeah. We do it. We do it. See them, mommy. Everlasting.
Odobroni everlasting.
We go do am chaka chaka baby. Do am soko soko baby. We no go hear nobody. Wa mukana ya no more. Messi Masula di Lumba. We be gone till November. Living up in a Bermuda. Other me straight was so I give me sugar. Hey, mama ya.
And then your greatest discussion be a be discuss here with studio.
NCO.
Because there are some certain things as a new normal, and then we need to talk about it and then find solution. Because it's doing more than harm than good to the youth. I've been thinking about it several days now, and I feel like discussing it here on air. Sunday, my audience in this way to me actually margin at their phone.
Soko baby, we no go hear nobody. What more can I hear no more? Anyway, show me no room for the corner there. No no more soon, me dream me there. I lolo, God bless it. Yeah, go your name, baby, God bless it.
Oh my yeah.
Oh my yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. This everlasting from Stoneboy.
Emoji,
Me friend Chiakasia and come Miss Mabel entry.
me I got the fine.
Erequia.
I tell you this one be the fine.
Maybe I will be a Michiao.
Every woman is a champion.
Sanso Anna, your program's manager. Silver Lady. Papa no. Patupa.
NZO. Oh my God. NZO. Yeah. Minudo idia. See the mommy. Everlasting. Minudo idia. Chaka baby, do am soko baby. We no go hear nobody. What more can I hear no more? Messi Masula di Lumba. We be gone till November. Living up in a Bermuda. Other me straight so I give me sugar. Hey, mama yeah. Mama yeah. NZO. Hey,
Oh my God. Dobronier.
Everlasting. Hey, Minudo idia. Everlasting. Yeah. We go do am chaka baby. Do am soko baby. We no go hear nobody. What more can I hear no more? Anyway, show me no room for the corner there. No no more soon, me dream me there. I lolo, God bless it. Yeah, go your name, baby, God bless it.
DLFM 106.9.
Edu midweek said yeah. Now I want to say we can man here kon. It be an entertainment. And why be a serious so? Are you the only person going through a lot? You need to party. Just party. And just party, my darling.
You give me all my love, baby, overdose.
You pass your day.
Anywhere you go, I go follow it. If you leave me, girl, I go die, yo. Hey, make you no do me, say they want no. Baby, you be my don't know it. If you need me, I go there by your side, oh mama. Oh yeah, shaking my sexy mama. Make you break your back. Cause I'm a sexy papa, I'm a sexy papa. Anything you do, you kill me. Je t'aime, ma chérie, écoutez-moi, je t'aime. Forever and ever, je t'aime. If you love somebody, sing along.
That is true.
So you love you
I still watching and listening live from Isawam Dubro.
Give you all my love, baby. Overdose.
Regina Boedi Diaba. My Reggie baby.
Baby, overdose.
Reggie baby.
Give you all my love.
Weekend, remember Achimota. See, expect me. I say good morning, my Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding.
Oh, baby, overdose.
How are you doing today?
Baby, they do me.
I'm blessed, Reggie baby. I say I'm watching you live at Achimota Market.
Oh, baby, overdose.
I say great work and good song. DJ Mario Nayin in Sano Sano.
If I get how they get from again. Any man, he go come make it fall down. Even he go put her in panic. Cause I love her so. My body, my heart and soul. For you, je t'aime. Ma chérie, écoutez-moi, je t'aime. Forever and ever, je t'aime.
Asante Emmanuel.
Voilà que mi sous mon beau mi jolé. Je t'aime. Ma chérie, écoutez-moi, je t'aime. Forever and ever, je t'aime. If you love somebody,
I say you look good this morning.
you love me, baby.
I know where blow me kiss.
Give you,
I see my fresh pants.
overdose. Make I love you, baby, overdose.
And I pay my camera on.
Oh, baby, overdose. Say my baby, they do me better.
Hey, Nyanko Pandum.
Give you
And the skirmishes ka crazy.
overdose. Say my baby, they do me better. I love you to measure. Give you all my love, baby, overdose.
More music on Trendy Beat.
Emra ya do see kwaji aboa fon kra to aba.
Girls wanna have fun. Throw that ass back, machine gun. Oh, she's in action. Her melanin shining like the sun.
Eyo mo na asama sima me di dwumadi ebrem na no pay.
Beautiful,
Enyo mo anka mente ha.
baby. I will love you,
Enu ntina yi wa fidie no enfan free ha.
my sweetie pie.
And in that DLFM 106.9.
I will love you till
Near for the best mid-morning show in the world and beyond. FM Bremo and Nanope. Me chame ho aba me ba ye dijumedie no ebetwaso.
You should know, I don't go use you catch your cruise. So many girls, but you I choose. Sweet teeth and I say I'm into blues. Share, I want for to make them more confused. I will love you till the end. My sweetie pie.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
Don't touch this dial. Keep it locked right here on DLFM 106.9. We will be right back.
It's easy, Mizu, baby. Say how we end on
Minia femme waso anyone make kakra na menka Diofosu Plaza Hotels 171 Trail se wo pe baby ye meetings and our conferences are anyhow because Diofosu Plaza Hotels a very spacious conference halls are a state of the art se e come deal na wo pe baby ya obenya duane a emu ode ne mu ohwam na pomudi wo mu adi ana wo pe ensa papa betwe abodwonsa ya so bogu mi na se ni pedue mu nyina ba yo fam anom dia menhwe baby a se Diofosu Plaza Bar and restaurant. There was swimming pool, gym center, salon. Yeah, a member and a man to Mrs. Wantrini. A fair modern event center. Yeah, very spacious with a beautiful environment into musical shows, weddings, christenings, parties, and all your refreshment programs. We've got you covered. Memory fee, weekend piano, live band music. Yeah, Mikawum, nebe shekiu amoniaje, Echegusa. Oh, the Ofosu Event Center, the Ofosu Plaza Hotels, the Edai Papa, Inipadem. Buso into Saope hotel accommodation with a serene environment. Ya ubenya wa sumdwe dia. Ya bia ya punama. Afe ye wa 1-bedroom and a 2-bedroom apartment. Ya ubetumini wa busua abetenem for a limited period. Afe sheshe Diofosu Plaza Hotel. Etra kwan ewo obotan so ene atechem ya ne nyina ewo koforidia. Ebrin so be hu yen wa hwerase. Ye ne fire service station no ene di nhwani mu. Se wo kwa denta. Ye wo frafra ha ubetumi afre yen ewo homa yi so 05304588 0834 0207 979461. Email info@diofosuplazahotel.com. Website www.diofosuplazahotel.com. Diofosu Plaza Hotels, where luxury meets comfort.
Ago Ghana deal 106.9 Emma Ghana and Nanumina Ayuko Yamamumo and Yajuma. Would you say, Mamma, a special? A day in a mamma me dance so our mammy phone and your way, a wobre, so babo mammy abaso, with DLFM, Yamishamba Mother's Day promo on the 10th of May 2026. Mechoko Tonima Bosomino, that it also do one film premiere any adrenusia. Momadia Salba send a video, WhatsApp message, and answer SMS. Nemo video I'll be sending and my name Brosima, and 24 better say. Na fe messages e mu hwam no ya bona baso nti we so e yakwanya sonko a wo de chedo e de ache o ma me for messages WhatsApp and video no fafa 0531 698307 0531 698307 you make what do na da roma ade de djumadi ye de bro DLFM 106.9 nyame shamba Mother's Day promo and na no maye bi ye mamomo ene adwuma ye mama yuko nyame shamba
Hey, Kwame, at the Wakabuman, I saw one of Maha, Wanisa, to set the woman about Kwai here. We are dang.
Akosia, a woman po. Is your menu, and ya kama, Pesu Papa no chumebo. Is your name cousin?
I no pay them their summer you. I no pay yan and I miss you, Biano, Miss your Croja, a friend, Lumba Super. Is your no dear? If I will name say Boko, nay so smooth. Kwame is your dear was a wunumbi. Is your name kama?
Lumba Super.
Lumba Super.
Mamma country. Super penny. And you're not your dear see me. Na menya be out of him for.
Hey, Pebi, I the acquisition me fridge.
Sir? Nana.
Kwame, said the Akosia canon. They said, why we wish you afford dear Mamma Musupapa, a Lumba and Super. In Siaba, you jam my so any asset get work. They say, I don't feel in there, no one will be a tobacco. Or don't want to pay a fee more. Yeah, no more. Just a BBR demo. Come. Aquala Production and Trading Limited, and I want the Abuano, and they bring you in Sionia, in Siani Lumba in Super. Sania, at the Fonomusu Pebi Tua, Abra Akosia, a bomb, and say, Opia Beya, or HRA. The Saint on my friend number C 026 3983 801, and I said 054 078 5010. The patch open Lumba in Super and who ensembia dia. But in your website, our www.lumbainsuper.com. When ya a home academia a ho Lumba in Super natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super brain. FDA Agyei Agyei Sikapa. Hey, Kwame, at the Wakabuman, I saw one of Maha, Wanisa, to set the woman about Kwai here. We are dang.
Akosia, a woman po. Is your menu, and ya kama, Pesu Papa no chumebo. Is your name cousin?
I no pay them their summer you. I no pay yan and I miss you, Biano, Miss your Croja, a friend, Lumba Super. Is your no dear? If I will name say Boko, nay so smooth. Kwame is your dear was a wunumbi. Is your name kama?
Lumba Super.
Lumba Super.
Mamma country. Super penny. And you're not your dear see me. Na menya be out of him for.
Hey, Pebi, I the acquisition me fridge.
Sir? Nana.
Kwame, said the Akosia canon. They said, why we wish you afford dear Mamma Musupapa, a Lumba and Super. In Siaba, you jam my so any asset get work. They say, I don't feel in there, no one will be a tobacco. Or don't want to pay a fee more. Yeah, no more. Just a BBR demo. Come. Aquala Production and Trading Limited, and I want the Abuano, and they bring you in Sionia, in Siani Lumba in Super. Sania at the Fonomusu Pebi Tua, Abra Akosia, a bomb, and say, Opia Beya, or HRA. The Saint on my friend number C 026 3983 801, and I said 054 078 5010. The patch open Lumba in Super and who ensembia dia. But in your website, our www.lumbainsuper.com. When ya a home academia a ho Lumba in Super natural mineral water. Get a grip. That's super brain. FDA Agyei Agyei Sikapa.
Na me mama kwaba munyina ediba DLFM. Na me mama kwaba munyina ediba DLFM.
DLFM, DLFM 106.9.
Home of legends and great music.
DLFM 106.9.
DLFM 106.9.
Home of legends and great music.
DLFM 106.9.
Say na me TikTok, no shim, go. Say me na waji, no jiko.
DLFM 106.9.
Na me yimo. Say o man 1 billion crown, no be the one city bar, no name Rico. 50 people, na me tipo. Say me ma send dia puto. Say be me dia to na kuma dentino, di mi titu siso. Osi le muk se kotriko, me produce ya me le mo. Ma ko puro me sa me de dato. Say na me ni da di de diko. It me go so no me funny me so me go me for so no me go me more. Did gonna want to ya hear me Jimmy Dog.
Asa, baby, yeah, baby, what na na na, what taking you home, baby, me. I'm on this what me. Asa wani me na go, so the I buy your video, Ghana, my best lame. I'm from the country, I'm a no face. Now go me pass your ground, me na mono no. Jamayen say big boy, onim say big guy. Kai won say big for guy. So buy money and power.
DLFM 106.9.
Man no man big boy. Jamayen say unkuwa dioba.
Welcome back from that quick commercial break. Afei anwa joining ya ha DLFM 106.9. Ye krekremu mid-morning show. You see this kind of feeling if you find someone on Mawasumji, you see that peace of mind is very important. Obi o mat nkwalasem na ewo mu netimi pie. That kind of feeling experience be that Yakopon count. No, you don't firm out because it's a very nice experience. As I know how I went in through, so as I make a sacrament emotional. What their own experience be that make a full Lumba super the amount. No mun super power no ne ko ni peduani ma ni peduani timi bu adwuma ye na timi attract those kind of lovers no it's your FDA agya to mu say ye so wo penny dudu etu aton anasa wo anka sampo na na abusuafo no obetimi afrem penny 40549 889 685 and 0549 436 616. Okodan sumane nimpotema. Madam Abanyami Che so distributor or adjacent Lumba spot appear to slay. Friend or 0557 349 401. Oko fan kwa Mama Vic APM wo ho. Our spot M adjacent to Ninaso Washing Bay. From Mama Vic was 0500680783. Rakwame APMO Ewa Dakuman Circle Station. Obayadum Choba. Friend was 0244094793. Madam Edith Kusiwo Dowenya or Opsi Central University. Friend was 0246601004. Nana Setra Opokwasi Odumase or Satisfy Water Depot. No Eben Government School no. Friend was 0592 317 481. Auntie Emilia IPMO Ewatema or Watema Community 4 Secondary join. Friend was 0540 423 201. Madam Patient on him a Peggy Mami Business Center APMO Ewa Ashaiman. From Madam Patient was 0543 499035. Na for Peggy Mami Business Center. Or no Ewa Court Junction, no Ben Police Air Barracks. No. Friend was 0243 330836. Yarabia ya crown crow also no. Make an for me dima for herbal clinic at the amount and no pay. Dr. Time that so Esa Branon for time and so Yari so FML. It's a stroke and a how what you don't pay wapo so. Infertility and a how. Yarabia a how no. Midima for herbal clinic at Thomas Sa at the afro. Amu opokwase mayira. Obetimi afre midima for herbal clinic. I was 0244 774282 and 0500 727215. Premature ejaculation title. Oh yeah, Bama won't mean Bajuma ye one pem. Oh What the boss one was on? What the boss one was on? May can forgive us speak capsules at the amount. So dear, what you don't pay how? Coco and a constipation. I am with him. Could you give us cold capsules? Na yari amabobo sunna sanu bi na hawa obetimi atwa give us call and pick up so na bom na wano nom sa na be adwuma ye woni paduane mama obesa we immune system ni ye adwuma ye malaria and how typhoid fever na join this ultimi endi waduane ye se na openo full lovers no when ya ben kwan bi ana say enkatin kwan bi ana laisu bi ze gu fufu na punch nam ne nantwinam no na fe ode ne sabe wom sa no ntimi ndi e ha dwen elintuma sanka give us herbal mixture now also etimi do favorite food Emanu medumuso rashes na ye guma himfi hono sa enkambi na ye eba hono menstrual pains obi onya cramsa I said ya homa chechire ne kon na wo kemusa ya de why calendar oba de o honom na o menstruate kra en wo senka obi ahu ana obi ate na so de ane de entisa make can forgive us GC mixture and capsules at the amount but more than so sabetimi akebi oba de wo so timi siesie ahimfie ho hie ede ma wo hene sane be ya oba honom a later betimi asa babio enya ne oba owi anu wamu na okwane ho ana chichichi ne ho could you give us GC mixture and capsules? No. Give us in Dubai a buso ewo manga na fana baby ya. Oko drugstores any pharmacies a hodo ebe ni na. E ya de obenya give us in Nupani bi etimi ato ano. So open do to abetimi afrem penifo. I was 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 Afiwe aya Mother's Day no DLFM ye pese ye ndi ne sronko so enu ntini ye presenting nyame inshrine ma Mother's Day celebration ye na ye gidi say ye maame de aya anom ye sronko enu ntini ye mamo sa akwanya no sa wo so no betimi a show maame anuonyam
Nyet yo bi beka enu na meye nyet yo bi beka enu na miti nyet yo bi beka enu na meye beje mi baby nyet yo bi beka
enu ntino betimi a record wo ho enu na miti nyet wo ka de a wo maame ayi ama wo de show maame anuonyam me pa cha my name bro 1 minute at least 30 seconds cry okay what there's 1% kon anima and my name bro 1 minute and I'm probably me send message through SMS WhatsApp messages and so on let me so send video na for WhatsApp number ni 0531 698 307 0531 698 307 na ni obetimi aka asem no na aka yakoma no ya wa chade stronko edema no
super wupa so yen ni ma sana mi wo so yen senta ni ba so ya mi do
Master P I say hi, Adjoa. Big ups to you and your crew for an amazing show. Special shout out reaching out to all Wednesday bones of House of DL Fan Club, especially Hayford or Hinekweku, Nana Otuo, Adia Pena, Ann Baby, Angie Baby, Alice, Bridget Equia Sika, Nana Equia Deborah, Sweet Egudie, and Baby Girl for Life. We are doing the listening. Keep it up, Sikapa. Big shout out and come on, Master P. Enoch Afram. Also watching from Domipila 2 Unique Water.
Superstar. Now not you. Rodeo with Jambo. He's a inside.
And then Osalia Midi can't carry no. Yeah, come on to no. If a relationship a hold you no our social media and so. Because as a quiet new normal. I didn't know bidding our sem ever social media. And as I'm proud she be not she said dating. What she be an away. I'm not talking about say who posting it panel. For posting obiati me posti. What me posti with for a caption is sending open. I'm talking about misunderstanding that yeah about relationship. Mummy anu na mo share them ana mo ye dem mo ye. One am tena say ana mo kan say mo dom ho. It's mo be worry and asa mo be date. And then the misunderstanding na mo be nya with them no. Na mo the same misunderstanding no e dey about social media. And obedi one away na worry some na kan o social media. Na kofo aso hon life. Na obia kebi na ka wo fi asam kra de aware sam de ba social media sabe ye den esa youth ni so no mo fa ne bibi esa nse ne mba bebre na enware ye na se ndo obehu na we ya ware agu no de ba social media na krofa so hon life no mo ka ho asam no mo yiye be ma no mo yiye oba na I think say e ha dwen. Esa youth ni so wo adwin bi say ene aware ne kra nyenti na hu hia se me ware anasa se me ne me ku anasa me guy enya misunderstand ya metimi e de aba social media se ne be ya menya likes ni views no enkofo be boa me aka satem didi na o me didi na na cheso me didi no me dem hu ni say doing more than harm than good to youth no. And no, I am imagining. It's also our fear now. Yeah, we share social media, especially TikTok. No, but Obiawa is some not fast on whole life. Ana miku aye mi say, miku abome. Ana miku ama miska, ana miku echiti. Ana minine jai. No more ka ho asem e wo social media. Do you think say was say enkoso sa? And I said we need to put a stop to it. Because disturbing. Obefa baby let me cast the social media there is supposed to be fun. Obekwa ko share videos wa sere. Bibi aye educative no what me akwa kosua wo ho. Na obekwa na obi awaresem na o ma so ho live. And then me blame me almost so life na so mo ka ho asem. So mo do mo wo honom, they are creating content. And I would do awaresem abeto social media no mo ka bi. Blame nini na me de ma ware phone and so mo relationship mo no. When you guys are having fun, my social media my yankas mo having fun to social media phone mo so mo be have bio. Our real neighbor na mo de abeto ho. Asembe na mo so mo catch youth no. Because all the time me kwanye me say no bani didi be ma na tem no bani su didi be ma ni su didi oba na tem ha dwen me de minya kasa na ma we ni na no ke ba wa resem misunderstanding to kwa ekoso ni na nkomo fenti na fie no mo nka social media enye court well divorcing to know they ba social media me dem adwen kire no enti wo so a wo fie no who ni said they should keep doing it ya mo form misunderstanding no enko social media na imagine some man for ho kwan no more disrespect a man or social media and then later on makokasa na makabo. How do you even feel? Because one man kolankitin kiti disrespect a man. It's all friend watch your dream. So I'm going swear somebody on my relationship assemble to social media. And I say omunjai. Number is 0534 050 199 and 0593 406 565. Hello. Hello, good morning.
Morning, mommy. What to say?
Nyami adom na me pacho so e.
Nyami adom ho ye so.
Pacho udi ni baby afrefi.
Nana bo me.
Nana me pacho meet you.
Me pacho. E yasem papa na wo de aba no ne ma jwa no. Yes, ro mo papa. Aware due nke kokko ma sem. Unu kwanya sem a. Nke mami pa mi lumpo nti. Last time I come and be betimpu nanke akwaya dia aboroso ana die omani atramo ni nto ana mintimi wo say ye fashion yo say ye me ye tete kwafo so omo no mani abiesin ye yo oju ha wonte ase oju ha wonte ase wo kunya sem no nka wo soro na dudu biemu oh ofa wo ba no wo na wo sem ye dem pa de cho se bra e bia wo ye ni wan ye mi po acho fi ko mi se bi o ye ni po ba tene ho ase what the quarter point in so what hold to man oh to me see akata bontene no bia to me say about one and no kwa warrior and this 1 year now on ile busu me sia na on ile me sro mala eni tie mu nka wale de ke fe simple fe ka sa wale na kwa wa na wale kwa wenti nti munya wale na mu ko koro no kata mo ma de chaso na wale no mbenu nyam.
Yes, yeah, that's it. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Papa, now what you say?
Nyami adum na mpacha wonso
Adumara call. Pacha na na secretary.
Pacha kasa free.
Papa, me kasa free. Sanko State.
Okay. What is you? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Adjoa.
Mame.
Machie.
Yena.
Na hoye.
Pacho nyame adom na wonso e.
Eradi adom eso mu ye papa.
Mpacho udi ni baby afrefi.
Eso me Regina Buedi.
Reggie baby.
Yeah.
Reggie baby. Since me Pacho meet you.
I program one day about na pay the year papa, and then I'm a former ban woman. Almost yet, the beer, me say, the beer, no, that got to social media. Only send me, I'm an old country. Me worry 15 years. Me kun asem, ya ko papa. Masa man come as what down, come ma me what da, and me kun e dey free mu. Enti yes, ramo muntu omufu. Me so me kan bi e betu omufu no munja asa ne omo to social media no. That's it. Money ejuma pa wo ya na pin. That's it.
Me that's Reggie baby. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Sikapa.
Papa, good morning.
Morning, Sikapa.
Me pa chodini baby afrefi.
FM Diodu.
Hansen Diodu.
Yes, madam.
Me pa cho meet you.
Me ta se fa no pay ni asema odi atu dwai.
Okay.
Awara sem bia san ka yesa ekwa bonti hu. Na ni nyina gina sabi mpepe hu amanfo wale obi awale o peso force ni yonko so nko wale no. Awo mo nya ntiase because ti no de awale no obi awale bia tini demu e ka o masem. Wo pia bonti adi ndokwa muko da mufa ana sana na se kwa bonti nkola nkete ya wo mo nyina mo show na kosu na mo hwe unu a dada ese ma ese be na kwa bonti nyina ka obi na amana ba sa nti yen hwe ni nya na se mba yen ka ofie bra se
Mr. Medase. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me ba chodini baby afrefi.
Asanti wana ni America Center.
Okay, mpache yetio.
Obejewa.
Mami.
Enemre on. Awade nenye aware o. Ewa die. Nti what ya say ansa na wo de ho eden ekohyem. Ena obi ni kuma chop money kwa na o de akoto social media. Ni kuma na kese a na o de akoto o man keto a na o de akoto. One ne ndam fo no mudi awade mu komo. He awade na wo komo no forever and ever o. If you go here, you want jalu, I will be wa. Who me need next? And I thought I can go another or one in the head. I go worry. Into go worry. You want to say forever. I don't know who could stand with you. Into a more what you must come to social media. May I be who say a more form and your book of Mamusa. Into a mutual move for no job and something on the for social media. Oh, I would go to a bar at the bakery. Come on, pa. Medase.
Mr. Medase. Hello.
Hello, Oba.
Mami, good morning.
Good morning. I'm for your favorite Lodina Impressi Ashala. Someone I would buy and I find power. They were 25 years and I'm a value in your position was 60 years.
Okay.
Masi and Nimuneko, me manage Nimuneko. Now I make concern of Johnny baby and I make not talk man say my yard and pa.
Medase. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa chodini baby afrefi.
Me pa cho frame Ruben, me frame accounting e be samanga.
Oh, micro muni, me pa cho meet you.
Yo. Let me say awale na ya e bi tena se ka se forever and ever. Ade ba ko ne say waltimi aware. Na aware na okoye no e bi ade bi koso wo ukun hu ana se wo yere hu. Na wo de abeto social media no me say egu obema na oba na ni mu ase. Tite wo koye side le bia na oni oba no mo ntimi antena ho. Na obesan akofo oba afoforo na obesan akofa bema afoforo no. Nti den no mo besan obi foforo besan aka fa wo ho say na me a oba me ho nya problem ata de beto social media na se bibi so nti enema bi wo ho na ekoso ese mo me hwe ni yi pa ni antwe ho firi se social media na enema ehu na time wawale mu na obetimi dia kwa kototo na be ha ya adwen nti mo me antwe ho firi ho.
Medase. Me fa last caller. Now me the call segment no SC. Hello, good morning.
Adjoa Agyei Sikapa wedding.
Papa, oh yeah, me last caller. Mpacho we didn't baby afrefi.
Mr. Bade Yakupon or on fine fear or her encounter. Amen. Last caller.
Amen.
Minya de man fa konya we e ma me dofu bi odi ni birthday.
Okay.
We dan ado awo asama ase suba and then ni dia woda. We say obaden akopon. Ondom no ombo no ba be na bibia. Sister Adjoa.
Papa.
I say kamia say social media no ye ma me ne ye papa no amawa na akoye say abeya om lawyer.
Yeah.
Wa ware mu. And society in the Quansembra and Canity, we knew it to about 70 years, 80 years, or be until a master. And they say, I quite say, social media, and I worry my, so no dear, so we don't know until we should put a stop to it. Only I mean, Ejuma.
May I say, hello. May I say my last call about Michelle? Okay. Yeah. Okay.
One should be ya. You are to connect woman and to ask them about one job by custom can't cover one. Mammy, why I give papa? They were 84. It's a 3 May 4. Okay. I do. Miss Cameron. Mammy, what's all young? You send me the account. Papa, we are couple. We are born you. What are your faces? Sam made me problem by cardio. And she may say, man, ya on my banana. It's when I've been to see it's in the same. It's how much so a lot. I came up with me. I mean, Jim, I won't. Oh, my worrying up on. No, I never so much. Don't fight the papa womb. Now, we're ready. And yet, dear, you can get the bonnet. And your bonnie and can you go in yet? I'm in a dear. I'll probably famano. Say about one. Mamma, that's social media. Also, this is some system media. Some media. Almost no more young woman. Next of this Anna. Almost close to honor. That was the mammy.
May the course no SC. Michael me pacho be boame. She's my angel and I want her dear. Hallelujah. Me the picture be send no. So the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Emmanuel Congregation, I know Ewo Akimoda, at the Yaf Week Celebration 2026, and Nobesha said the 20th of April at the Akosi 26th April. That is so much as said that. To no more bonka, yes, sir, a Emmanuel Congregation for Amoa Akimoda. We have week celebration, no Asha see. Into who I won't call, but more than so bet me a call. Me some dear a year. Mike and Pachami the picture be a senus a seer. Where every manager so Miss Mabel Entry. A requiem who fefo. I say happy birthday, Cassiaway, and come on, no one in your bema. Now, watch your brofona band making kind send your brofonity. I say more gifts to your elbow. May everything you do yield good results. Long life in good health. It's what the Lord should satisfy you with. Stay blessed, brother. So happy birthday, Kessia, and call my young manager. Ne brother back up here. Hansin Diodu, I say good morning, Sikapa. Thank you for your good work. Watching you live inside Atomic Hotel Dansuman. Kofi Parliament in so at the bar. I see doing the listening loud and clear inside Agona Bobikuma Upper. Emilia Peterson, I say good morning, Sikapa. Please greetings to all Lumba and super workers. 9 songs from DJ Omarion. This is secondary joint Tema Community 4. Salima Abena. I say I really love this song. DJ Omarion, you do all. Emre do it there. Me sorry so ama me nua be my shraba kwadwo sami bi. E di okasiebo no e di atoamo so. And then me ni DJ Omarion on e bo onyom no e di ma me. Sanso Anna Michael say on le sheki biku ni mo de me call live on Facebook and YouTube. Channel page me de me ni omo na ye. Me da metie fo ani mahwefo ni na ase. Mo amofra ye nso Yakopon onhira mo. Me amedi dwumade ebe somo ena no pay. Edi ameje so eye Adjoa Agyei Sikapa. Me sorry so adi okasiebo. Ana ye next.
Amene Lumba de abebom. Omo de abebom. Ede dodo na musom. Ede na musom. No no be yada ne firi amotuam. Ne firi amotuam. Appear to spanyum ninjingum. Ma ninjingum.
Enso against.
She